Are you torn between Ubigi and Saily for your mobile data needs? You're not alone. Today we'll compare these two popular options to help you decide. Both Ubigi and Saily offer mobile data services, making it easy for travelers to stay connected. They provide convenient plans for internet access without needing a local SIM card. But how do they stack up against each other? Let's start with Ubigi. This service is known for its extensive global coverage. You can use it in many countries, which is a big plus for international travelers. Ubigi offers flexible data plans, so you can choose what fits your trip best. The app is user friendly, making it easy to manage your data on the go. Now, let's look at Saily. This tool also focuses on providing mobile data for travelers. Saily is appreciated for its straightforward pricing and easy setup. Users often mention that Saily's customer service is responsive, which can be helpful if you run into issues while traveling. So, what are the key differences? Ubigi shines with its wide coverage and flexibility. On the other hand, Saily stands out with its clear pricing and great customer support. When it comes to features, Ubigi allows you to buy data packs as needed, while Saily often offers more straightforward plans. Both services can be accessed through an app, but Ubigi's interface might feel a bit more polished. In terms of pricing, Ubigi has various plans that can be adjusted based on your needs, while Saily usually has simple, fixed plans that are easy to understand. In the end, if you travel often and need extensive coverage, Ubigi might be the better choice. But if you want clear pricing and good support, Saily could be right for you. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights.